Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Microsoft Office without needing any product key or paid subscription. We won't be using any cracks or third-party installers. Everything will be done using Microsoft's official tools. Just follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, you'll have Microsoft Office fully installed on your PC. Before we begin, if you already have Microsoft Office installed, whether it's a trial version or an expired version, it's best to uninstall it first. I'll explain why in a moment. To do that, go to the Control panel, then click on Uninstall a Program. From here, remove anything related to Microsoft Office. I won't remove mine right now, but if you don't uninstall it, the installation may not start properly later. We will see this problem in the end of the video. Once that's done, we can begin the setup. Open your browser and go to config.office.com. Then click on the first result. This is Microsoft's official Office customization tool, and we'll use it to create a custom Office installer. Click on Create under Create a new configuration. Now select the 64-bit architecture. Under Office Suites, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. This version gives you access to the full Office suite without requiring an online Microsoft account or a subscription. If a newer version like 2025 is available, you can select that instead. Next, choose the Office apps you want to install. I only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so I'll uncheck the rest. You can also install Outlook, Access, Publisher, or any other apps you need. Scroll down to the Language section and choose your preferred language. I'll select the US English. After selecting your product, apps, and language, click on Export. Choose Office Open XML format. Accept the license agreement and click Export again. This will download a file called configuration.xml. This file contains all the details about your Office setup, including the version, apps, and language. Next, we'll download the Office Deployment Tool. Open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Then open the official Microsoft website. Click the Download button. Once it's downloaded, run the file, accept the agreement, and choose a folder where the files will be extracted, like your desktop or downloads folder. After extraction, you'll see files like setup.exe and a sample XML file. You can ignore the sample file. Now create a new folder and name it something simple. I'll name mine Office 365 2025. Move both setup.exe and your configuration.xml file into this new folder. Now we're ready to install Office. Open Command Prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type cd, then copy and paste the folder path where you place the setup and configuration files, and press Enter. To start the installation, type the install command and press Enter. Make sure the XML file name matches exactly, including upper and lowercase letters. Once you run the command, the Office Deployment Tool will begin installing Microsoft Office on your PC. In my case, the installation won't start because I didn't uninstall Office at the beginning. But if you did, you should see a progress bar like this one. Keep the command prompt window open and let the installation finish. Depending on your internet speed and the number of apps you selected, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can close the command prompt. Finally, go to your Start menu and open any Office app you installed, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can now use Microsoft Office normally. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.